Hello everyone, welcome to this video. I hope you're all doing great. Uh, I'm doing good. I'm at my home healing myself. That's why I'm recording like this. I hope I'll soon be able to record in a better way. Okay. Now, regardless of that, uh, this video is going to be about OMM Level 5 weekend batch. Now, these weekend batches I've been taking since the month of April. Yes. And after that, we relaunched it in the month of June, and now we are relaunching it again for the month of July. If you are curious, if you are interested in joining this batch, this is the time. So we'll start with the details now. Just a minute, let me resize myself to a better size. Okay, that's good enough. Mhm. That should be fine. Now, OMM Olympiad Math Mastery Level 5 weekend batches. Weekend. Now, weekend meaning it will be in 2 days a week, Saturday and Sunday, right? The start date is 25th June. I said this is a July batch, right? So 25th June is the start date during the end of June, and 2 days a week, Saturday and Sunday. And what are the details? You see the highlights, right? 50 plus live sessions. 50 plus live sessions, evening 5 p.m. to 6:30 p.m. And I hope no one has any issue with that. I hope this is fine. And then what else? Practice assignments we have. Every session has its own particular assignment. You'll be given a sheet with all the details. There will be an orientation session. The first session is orientation session, where I will explain all the details about the portal, how you're going to access, what are the materials given to you. Everything will be told to you, right? If it looks ambiguous here, it is not so. Just understand that. And after every session there will be assignments, and there are additional sessions for other examinations which will be told within the batch. Don't worry about that now, right? In the assignment, all the questions, all the problems will have a written solution. So the assignment questions will be there first and the solutions will be there next, and for each question a video solution is also provided that has been recorded by various teachers, not just me. uh, Sometimes Abhay sir, Chetan sir, other sirs. All right. And after every session, the replay of that session will also be available, so that you can watch it again. You can rewatch a particular section which you find doubtful. All right. To clear your doubts. And yes, your performance will be tracked. There will be tests. All tests will, the results of the tests will be posted on the Telegram group. So there will be a Telegram discussion community. Presently Telegram is down. I think that at least the day we are recording this is down. I think it will be out by 22nd June. So I think we're doing fine. All right. So that there's a Telegram discussion group where not just the teachers, your friends and everyone will be there, so that if you have any doubts, any question, you can reach out to us teachers or your friends. You can discuss within yourselves. It's a beautiful thing. I love it when students are discussing in a group. I enjoy watching it. I enjoy helping out in between. Now, which examinations does this target? So if you look at the below section, the target section, you'll see that NMTC examinations. NMTC what? NMTC is National Mathematics Talent Contest, and it is for 8th grade, 7th, 8th graders, 5th, 6th graders also. Primary is 5th, 6th graders, and then it is for 9, 10, also 11th one also. So I will be talking of, I think if you do level 5, you will be fine till NMTC junior level, 9, 10. All right. So I think you should be fine. At least sub junior level, of course, you can do. AMC 8, you can do. I think I would dare to say AMC 10 also you will be able to do. Math Kangaroo examination, which is also conducted in the US. These examinations you can target. In fact, PYQs of these examinations are very, very good if you are targeting IOQM. So it's a good practice. You'll love solving those questions. They are very interesting puzzle-like math questions. Now, what is the topics which is going to be covered in this uh, session, in this what do you call it, batch. These are all the topics. These are all Olympiad topics. Nothing extra. I think the arithmetic portion, if you look at in the right top part, the arithmetic portion, that portion is a bit out of the syllabus for Olympiads. But if you see the rest of the thing, algebra, geometry, number theory, combinatorics, it is all within IOQM syllabus. It is all Olympiad syllabus. So you are mastering Olympiads only, and everything will be covered. And as I said, there are 50 plus sessions in this. So with 50 sessions, all these are covered beautifully. So nothing to be worried about. All right. So, and after every test, there are tests also. Numerous tests will be conducted. After every test, there is a discussion session. If you have any doubts, if you want an extra session, we can. I will be availing an extra session for you. I will add extra session for you. So there is no lack of attention given to you. Okay, will be completely attentive to you. If you have any questions, any doubts, you can address to me directly. That, sir, in this particular session you talked about this is my doubt. I want to ask questions. Many people face problem with geometry. All right, we will figure it out. Nothing to be worried about. In algebra, we are also going to include quadratic equations, which is taught in 10th standard. But I will have my methods to explain to you in a very simple fashion. We will draw graphs. We'll do stuff which is very, very fun. All right. So all that is there. Now coming to the batch prize. Uh, Whatever is there in front of you, that's the prize, guys. I'll also tell that you see the coupon code in the left, Act Pro. That's the coupon code which will get you 10% additional discount. So don't forget to use that. If you use that, you'll get 10% additional discount. So that's it. Grab it and all the best. I'm waiting for you to be seen on the other side. Comment below if you have taken the batch. Comment below if you had taken the previous batches. How was the experience for you? That will be lovely. I would love to listen from you. All right. So that's it, guys. I hope you're all doing well. Take care. See you on the other side.